Alright, so now we've got to feed the brake cable housing through the top tube, in through that hole and out through that hole. So what we're going to do is feed a string through it and suck it through with the shop vac, and then from there we can pull the housing through. So we've got the cable taped onto the string with electric tape right at the end, and now we just guide it through. Comes out the other end. Feed the housing onto the cable. And guide it up through the front hole.